What you're about to see will probably shock you, and you certainly have every right to be angry. You see, the U.S. government and the big money on Wall Street are in cahoots. Hundreds of times a day they meet to orchestrate sinister moves designed to pull some stock prices up and push others down. These moves are designed to chase regular investors like you out of a stock so they can pocket all the profit themselves. However, if you click here right now, I'll show you the secret back door that will turn the market back in your favor, and how it could have already helped you pocket $36,890 in profits with 5 simple trades. Just like when you could have seen a 728% gain in just 77 days with Mind Medicine. Click here and I'll show you how to find potentially profitable trades like this almost every single trading day of the year. You see, I used to be the vice president at a major investment bank, responsible for over $3.2 trillion in assets. I was inside the belly of the beast, and the things I learned would curl your stomach. But now that I'm my own boss, I can finally reveal what's really going on behind the scenes. Listen, if you have less than $1 million to invest, they consider you a second-class investor. Or worse, easy prey. The rich do not just travel on first class, they actually get first-class treatment by the government. They even get to play by an entirely different set of rules than the rest of us. Because when they make a big investment, they can wait up to 90 days before they have to disclose it. Until then, these trades are 100% anonymous, stealth trades as I like to call them, and they know exactly how to use that to their advantage. They pick a stock and put in huge sell orders in order to drive the price down, triggering stop loss orders for retail investors. And as normal traders sell even more shares to cut their losses, the price keeps plummeting. Well, this is when the big money gets in. They pull together, push huge amounts of money into the stock at their new discount rate, and listen, it's all done anonymously with these stealth trades. By the time you find out about it, they've already lined their pockets with almost all the profit. Now that said, if you click here now, I will show you the back door that will allow you a seat in first class and a shot at the profits normally reserved for the fat cats. Listen, this happens every day, sometimes hundreds of times a day, and the small retail investors almost always lose. But you know the saying, if you can't beat them, join them. That's why I became obsessed with detecting these huge stealth trades. Now over the years, I've gotten really good at it. Good enough to spot their hidden moves before the volume spikes, before you hear about it on CNBC, and before the price takes off. In fact, with my new blue stealth trade alarm, you could have been able to detect these stealth trades and potentially position yourself to see huge blue gains like 614% in 180 days with Tesla, enough to turn $1,000 into $7,140. With Kirkland's, you could have turned $1,000 into over 11 grand in under 4 months. $1,000 invested in IZEA Worldwide would have turned into $8,170. BitGain generated a 510% gain in under 60 days. And finally, with Riot Blockchain, another 575% gain would have let you turn $1,000 into $6,750. Had you invested just $1,000 into each of these trades, you could have banked a $36,890 profit. Now that's the kind of money that can allow you to pay off your mortgage, to buy a new car, or go on a truly luxurious vacation. And if you click here now, I'll show you exactly how these stealth trades happen every day. Again, sometimes hundreds of times a day. And how you can get in on our next big profit opportunity as soon as my blue trade stealth alarm goes off. But don't just take my word for it. I've shared hundreds of these stealth trades with my readers. Listen to what some of them have to say. Robert P. wrote me saying that this method has given him the most consistent profits he has seen in 15 years. Carl was amazed at seeing my recommended stock take off like a rocket. Traditional analysis told him to stay away. But traditional analysis cannot detect stealth trades. Jeff is making a killing, and Douglas was super excited about it capturing 110% gains on one of his first trades. And when you start tapping into the power of these stealth trades, you could easily be the next big winner. And I'm looking forward to hearing about your fantastic results. Click here to get started today, and I'll see you inside.